We are shooting Dance Calendar 2012 for Shakti. It is shot by Praveen Talan.
I love to do dancing pictures, as in pictures with a lot of motion and a lot of dynamics.
He suggested that I should do a dance calendar and I was like, okay, that's interesting.
I just happened to meet Shakti, who wanted some creative pictures, and I thought she's got a huge fan following. She was the winner last year for the India Dance show on television.
Dance is something that has given me recognition. Dance is something I'm associated to. So that's why I wanted to give it back by making this calendar. There are a lot of people who recognize me because of my dance. So I definitely wanted to make it really out of the world. So let's hope it turns out to be one. Well, when I came in the morning, very apprehensive, didn't know what was going to happen today. So got ready, wore some shorts and something like that. And the shot wasn't perfect, like body-wise, what I did. But when I saw it, when I saw the light, what Praveen had done.
The best thing about camera is you realize after doing years of photography that camera doesn't recognize or differentiate between faces or people or celebrities and non-celebrities. The camera shoots a picture, and for that picture to be great, the subject has to be outstanding. So the photographer, people do credit them with good pictures and bad pictures, but I feel the subject plays a very important role. Shakti, I don't think anybody, I shot a lot of people in this country who are into dancing, but a person, she's a personality after all, she's also an actress, with such a huge range of flexibility and dynamics and emotions. I think it was a great experience, and for me, she has suddenly become one of my favorites.
I think we kind of managed a lot of shots and it was a lot of fun shooting with him.
The best thing which I liked about Shakti is that she's a natural.
डांस से इंस्पायर होकर के कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर बना रहे हैं बिकॉज आई थिंक डांस बहुत है स्टेडियम की नॉट जस्ट फॉर फैशन आई थिंक डांस पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइव्स और इस तरह का ब्यूटीफुल इंस्पिरेशन कैरेक्टर करके आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वंडरफुल। अगर आप डांस लवर हैं, डांस के फैन हैं, डांस देखना पसंद करते हैं, आई थिंक यू शुड कीप दिस कैरेक्टर कि आपको हर महीने इंस्पायर
जब शागिर्द ऐसे मिलते हैं, और शक्ति में मुझे एक ऐसी शागिर्द मिली है जो बहुत ही होनहार है, टैलेंटेड है। 2007 में मैंने एक कैलेंडर लॉन्च किया था, पहला डांस कैलेंडर इंडिया का, और वो बहुत उनको भाया था, और उसमें शक्ति भी थी। और कुछ हफ्ते पहले शक्ति ने फ़ोन कॉल किया, मैं चाहती हूँ का एक डांस कैलेंडर लॉन्च करूँ, और मैंने कहा कि व्हाई नॉट, यू मस्ट लॉन्च योर ओन कैलेंडर, आप बहुत ही टैलेंटेड है, आपके बहुत फैंस हैं, सो व्हाई नॉट। एंड वही हुआ, एंड बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स निकले, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ। और वो ऐसी एक स्टार है, डांसिंग सुपरस्टार है, जिन्होंने डांस के साथ अपने आप को हर वक्त connected रखा, and I really am proud of it. I think I can't comment on Salman because I don't know what he is doing, but I'm sure he's doing well. He's a very talented dancer also. But all I can say about Shakti is because I know her, and she had spoken to me after the show, and she said, "Ab kya? मैं जीत गई, अब क्या?" I said, "Now Shakti, you have to really work hard to make sure that लोग आपको भूले नहीं. So you have to make sure that you work hard towards dance. You continue to kind of train in dance. You cannot lose your training. लेकिन अगर ऐसा नहीं होना कि आप सुपरस्टार बन गए और डांस को छोड़ दिया." So she stayed training to dance. बहुत सारे offers आए, and she kept saying, "Should I do?" I said, "No, you will not do anything that is not connected to dance." So when she got this offer for V, Channel V, and she said, "Go do it," but I said, "You know, it's connected to dance." Again, when the calendar came, she said, "I want to do a dance." I said, "Do it." So everything that's connected to dance, she's always been there. And she has a very good team. ZTV, Pankaj ji was managing it.
First of all, I want to congrats her because first of all, she is an amazing dancer, I want to say, and I'm very happy to have a partner like Shakti because the time I started dancing, DID, I got her as a partner. Starting से हम लोगों ने first performance से लेकर last performance साथ में किया है, and she won the DID. That was my dream because मुझे सिर्फ ये था कि अगर मैं नहीं जीतूंगा तो शक्ति, you are the one who should win the competition. वो जीती. Now she's working with me in D3 as my co-partner, and now she launched the dance calendar, which is truly international, amazing. मैंने हर एक पिक्चर देखा है उसका, एंड जब वो रेडी हो रहा था तो मैं तभी देख लिए थे सारे, एंड जो नहीं भी आए फोटोज उसमें, it's just amazing. It shows how much she feels for dance, how much she passionate about dancing, and it's just amazing. Actually मेरे सारे फेवरेट है, बट January is most amazing because जिस तरह से उसने वो फोटो क्लिक किया, it shows passion plus decency in dancing and the madness and everything is there. So I just love Jan ka photo, but overall the calendar is just amazing. I think this is the first step I have seen a dancer doing something because dancers को इतना मैंने कुछ करते हुए देखा नहीं, and this is a new thing, launching a dance calendar because you can capture your moves in videos, but capturing your moves photographs is very difficult with the same feel and expression. So it's a great start, and I think all the dancers should do this, and she's creating again and again benchmarks for every dancer to follow her and fulfill their dreams. This is the look of Jan.
हमारी तो आदत है, आपकी तो नहीं है, हमारी तो है।
Nritya Shakti.
शक्ति यार।
This is Nritya Shakti, and I just love it. I just love it. See, if you can see from the eye. The eyes speaks a lot. For an artist and a dancer, the eyes speaks a lot. If you can talk with your eyes, you're just super. And she is clearly talking with her. And the passion, you can see the expression all over. The face is showing the value of dance. I love doing hip hop, but since I was in Dance India Dance, I got trained by Terrace Studios, and I got such an amazing contemporary dancing partner. So I started doing contemporary, and I enjoyed contemporary a lot. So now after DID, saying one dance form is my favorite, no, I just love dancing overall, and I just want to learn everything, whatever is possible.
I think it's a very big moment for me. कभी मैंने इतना प्लान नहीं किया था, you know, that I would do something like this in my life. Actually, a lot has gone creatively, mentally, physically, a lot of stress has gone. But eventually the product is really, really good. I'm very happy that I have such friends who have supported me, who have lifted me so much. I agree with him, we have similar choices. And I love that picture myself, that's the best. That's my favorite. Well, he has helped me big time on doing hip-hop and everything basically in life. So, Suvar has been always a very, very good friend. Dance beat.
I really want to say,
He's brilliant.
I haven't seen a brilliant female dancer like Shakti, and पूरी दुनिया ने देखा है कि शक्ति किस लेवल को टच कर चुकी है डांसिंग में, एंड आने वाले दिनों में भी आप देखेंगे. दिस जस्ट द स्टार्टिंग. She's gonna, I think she's gonna create a next level, like amazing dancer, super actress, future star.
Well, for me, I need to I feel this is my responsibility towards dance because dance ने हम दोनों भी बहुत recognition दिया है. So whatever we can do to promote dancing, like आप देखते हैं music industry है, like every day people have music launches and you know this thing. We want to create dance as a very very lucrative career for all the kids who are coming up and they should look up to dancing, like how everyone wants to be in dancing or dance. Just like that, just creating pathways.
देखा ना सी अमेजिंग थिंग्स. अभी तक बहुत कुछ देखा है आप लोगों ने, बहुत कुछ देखना बाकी है. हमारी कोशिश रहती है कि हम आपको बेस्ट से बेस्ट दिखाएं. So we're gonna dance more for you guys.
Yeah.
Shakti's gonna show you some amazing moves again and again and again.
Oh.
New Year wishes to your fans.
Happy New Year to all the viewers.
Happy New Year guys and enjoy, keep dancing.
Have a rocking 2012.